how to add Netflix to Apple CarPlay. So if you want to add Netflix to Apple CarPlay, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your App Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then go with search and simply type in screen mirror or screen mirroring from here. After that, you should see the screen mirroring apps right here. You need to make sure that the app also supports the video mirroring. Go and install it. Then, of course, make sure that you already have Netflix downloaded on your iPhone. So if you still haven't, do it from your App Store. Next is connect your iPhone using your Wi-Fi or your cable. Then open up your screen mirroring app. Next, from your iPhone, head over to the settings option. Just click on the settings and then click on General. Scroll down and go with General. Then look for the CarPlay option. Once you find the CarPlay, tap on it. Once your iPhone screen appears on CarPlay, open Netflix on your phone and it mirrors directly onto your car screen. And that's pretty much it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.